Cool.
Pretty neat, huh?
Can't say that long on the knees down there,
Didn't seem like you were that far down, did it?
though. No. You can probably climb out the other hole too, but that one seems a little tight.
This one here? Actually, it's,
They say I put on 10 pounds.
right. It's actually not bad, Josh.
Man, I'm 6'1".
Yeah, right. No, that was actually, you're skinny enough to go through that one. It's, you gotta lay your body across the top of that rock, you know? So yeah, anyway. Yeah, I'm down here.
Man, I'm 47 now, Chris.
No.